How to fix Facebook disabled problem. In today's video, guys, we will talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option, you have to search for Facebook. Open then Facebook like this and go to storage. On storage now, you have to go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back. Click on force stop, click also OK, and now you have to back to your home page and go to Play Store, update your Facebook if it's not updated, and that's it. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next.